And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
And even though it's hot down here in the lower elevations, we're beginning to see signs of fall up across the mountains. Got to admit, it's my favorite season of the year as we head towards pumpkin spice latte season. The leaves changing colors. That is the scene right now in Breckenridge from News 5 viewer Patricia. And take a look at this photo. I did an adventure up here at Sandstone Ranch up in a Douglas County area. Beautiful outside, a nice long hike up into the mountains just east of the Rampart Range. That photo sent in by Rita. Now, we are watching a few showers and storms on the satellite radar composite, but this is nothing in comparison to what we're expecting to see a little bit later this week. Most of the rain out across the mountains, right here where we're seeing some of those showers pop up, likely not able to reach the ground because lower levels are so dry, but we have seen a few thunderstorms down across parts of the eastern plains into Otero and Los Animas counties. Now, today was hot. Tomorrow, even hotter. We could see some record-setting temperatures anywhere throughout southern Colorado and generally low fire danger. Not completely void of it, as we will see some spotty elevated fire weather concerns, especially across the eastern plains because of that dry, breezy air. Then we're unsettled Wednesday to Thursday, and along with those rain chances, we usher in some much cooler air around the middle of the week. Now, looking ahead, the mountains are really going to bear the brunt of most of the heavier rainfall. We do have a flood watch for the western areas of the state down across the San Juans and La Garritas. These go into effect Tuesday night, and they continue until at least Thursday afternoon. Some of the models estimating as much as 2 to 3 inches of rain could fall in that time, and that could lead to excessive runoff, especially in some of those steeper terrained areas, as well as recent burn scars. Right now in the Springs, it is 85 degrees on this Monday afternoon. Sky's a little cloudier than what we saw throughout the weekend, but the sun's ray is still able to penetrate through the cloud cover, and yeah, that is heating us up in a big way. Right now it's 95 in Pueblo, and I think we'll be even hotter tomorrow in the Steel City as we go from the 50s early up to near 90 by the lunch hour. 97 expected to be the high, whereas in the Springs we look to top out near 90 degrees. So again, as we make our way into Tuesday, we start out with sunshine across the state, but the moisture begins to move in as we make our way past the lunch hour. That's when we start to get some of those showers into the mountain areas. I think we stay dry most of the day here across the urban corridor east into the plains, but by Wednesday, moisture becoming more widespread, and that starts to push east. So by Wednesday evening into the overnight hours, we can see the potential for some heavier rain up towards Teller County, Park County, possibly here into the Pikes Peak region and Pueblo as well. That continues into Thursday before that moisture finally clears out of the area as we make our way into Friday morning. Here's a look at those overnight lows tonight. We're dropping down to the upper 40s around Woodland Park and Monument, 56 in the Springs and Pueblo, and 59 in Canyon City. Highs tomorrow, they'll be a little warmer than today, and we could be flirting with records in some spots. 85 for Monument, 94 in Canyon City, and up to 90 in the Springs. Here's your Colorado Springs super 7-day forecast. If we verify with that high of 90, we would tie the record last set back in the, I believe it was 2016. That information out there, but based on my memory, I think it is 2016. Precip chances increase on Wednesday as we got our first round of rain. Thursday looks to be cool and unsettled. For Pueblo up near 97, that would break the previous record of 96. Then we're down more than 25 degrees as we make our way towards the middle of the week. Canyon City, we've got some hot 90s Tuesday, but some cooler fall-like temperatures Wednesday to Thursday, and then sunshine and a warm-up for your Friday and Saturday. Also expecting a roller coaster ride of temperatures in Woodland Park. 80 your high on Tuesday, down to the upper 50s Wednesday to Thursday. Then by Friday, sunshine and 70s to close out the week.